So we talked about before on the small side, this is the east wall. We've got 4 mic jacks on this wall. This is mic 1, mic 2, mic 3 and 4 on down farther south. And then this is your panel that goes up to the projector. The only one that we use on this is the VGA. It's kind of a wedge looking, it's got 15 pins. And then there's a video input and 2 audio inputs here. We don't use those because that goes through the projector, and when they were originally put in, they've never had the volume, and we have a little bit of distortion in the video, so we don't use that. We go straight in to the VGA on the video. What we have in the wall here, you can see the panel, there's a small square here. What's actually in there is just a little plug that we can replace. In the back, it's got the place for 3 wires to be sorted. It's rare to have problems with that, but if somebody rolls the cord off or trips over the cord, they can damage that, and these have to be replaced. That's very rare, but I've got these in the parts. So I had mentioned also over there on the small panel, rather than control the FM radio or add a CD or the auxiliary input to have to deal with that complicated panel, what we do is we will convert with a cable. This is an 1/8 inch jack that goes into your phone or in the laptop, just goes into the headphone jack. It is 8 to 8. These are a big problem because they're constantly being moved. They break inside here. It's one of the things that we always keep on hand. It's an easy thing to troubleshoot if you don't have sound. Is just change the cord out real quick. The second thing is an adapter. Same thing. Internal wires in there, they can go bad. Change that out. And that's normally what I do on troubleshooting is I'll just keep other pieces like this around, change them out one at a time to see what actually fixes it. This is an XLR, has an 1/8 inch pin on one side, but it's got the 3 male pins that go into the wall. So what we do, make sure the pin's always on the bottom, center pin's on the bottom, and then plug this into laptop or phone or whatever. So since we're plugged into mic 1, then your volume control obviously will be mic 1 on the small panel. So again, we put that up high enough so that they've got the control on this side. And then we'll set it low to start with on this side. There's a release button on top, push that in and this comes out. Sometimes if you've got your sound up pretty high, it will pop or bang really loud. So I've got it on mute over there now so that it wouldn't do that. Our cordless mic